So now that I have created the first root here, we need to return another type of data. Instead of returning here a string, let's return something else. Let's return, for example, here let me return a dictionary. So I'm going to return here a dictionary, and that dictionary can be anything. Let me say here website, and that website is my website, commoncode.com. And by the way, if you did not visit my website, I'd highly recommend visiting my website and check out my courses. There are a lot of courses and a lot of useful courses, and I'd highly recommend checking out these courses. And also you'll find a lot of materials and articles, very useful articles. So this is a simple dictionary. You can return it. And let me copy this dictionary and store it in a variable. So I'm going to copy it and store it in a variable here called website, and then it's going to be equal to this dictionary, and then I'm going to return this website. So I'm going to say here return and then website, which is my dictionary. Now if you save and head on over to the browser and refresh, it's going to return this dictionary, as you can see, website and then commoncode.com. So it worked. So now we know how to return a simple string, and also we know how to return a dictionary to the user.